We're going to cover the manual side of the Jaltest CV. So up here in the top right, you have the auto and the manual like we covered before. When you click on manual, this gives you all the different options like your heavy truck, your trailer, your bus, light medium duty, and then manufacturer. And how this works is if you need a wiring diagram, a torque spec, a belt routing, or even troubleshooting information, this is how you can get to it. Now you have to make sure that your Jaltest link is plugged into the computer. From there, you can go into, we're going to select manufacturer. This will be all the different manufacturers over here on the right hand side. What this is in the middle is what's called your favorite brands. So just by selecting a box, it puts it in the middle. That way you don't have to scroll up and down. So we're going to go and look for a Cummins ISX wiring diagram or torque spec. To do that, you simply select where you want to go. So we're going to select Cummins. You can do IS and then come down to ISX, or you can type in up here ISX. Then you go down and select which engine you need the information for. So for me, I need an ISX15, so I'm going to highlight that. Over here on the left, all the information highlights up that's available. So you can select on system technical data. From here, you can get your tightening torques. You can look up lubrication system, cooling system, your components. So this will be all the different parts like we looked at before. So if you need information on your accelerator pedal, that's here. Fan clutch information. If you need a wiring diagram, you select the wiring diagrams. Then you just choose which one you need. So let's just pick one and hit the check mark. This will be the wiring diagram that you selected, and it'll put it in here for you. Now you can select another one once you go into this diagram simply by clicking up here, and then you can pick your next one and it'll take you to that. You can get to your maintenance data. Back again, you see the world icons, so these will be web-based. So if you need a more in-depth torque spec, a belt routing, you can get to all that. Even repair times is up here. So if you need a belt routing, if you need your specs on the engine, if you need torque specs, tolerances, all of that is in here. Even repair times, as I spoke on before. You can get the troubleshooting by symptom. You can get to the TSBs, or even your component replacement guides. Now to get back to the main menu, just select Diagnostic menu. Now it works the same way, regardless of what manufacturer it is. So if you need it for a body module, if you need it for a transmission, you just simply go in. So let's say I need one for an international. You go into modules. Here's all the different modules. So if you need it for a driver door, body computer, here's your diagrams for those.